Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer. So are you a golfer and you play with your buddies and you get out there and you're hitting the balls around and you're fighting over whose ball belongs to who? Well, a lot of times guys will take and put an X on it like this and they'll say, okay, that's my ball. Well, guess what? Everybody does that. So you'll end up out there with everybody having an X on there. And now you're fighting over whose X that is. But there is another way. You can get this little device here, which is called a ball badge. This one has a flag on it, and it looks like just a little rubber stamp. They're going to send you this device, which will strap onto your golf bag. So you will actually take the device and find a good clear spot there, just like that. You're going to take the badge and break it loose from the little holder, just like this, just a little rubber stamp, and you're going to take it and push it and rock it back and forth. And now I actually have a flag on this ball, so I know that it's mine. And if you don't want to do a flag, you want something unique or different, they have a whole bunch of different designs. So go through, pick the one you want, pick your little ball badge up today, and carry it with you next time you play golf, and you won't have that issue. I hope this helps, guys. We will see you on the next review.